Say hi. Say hi. Hi, my people. Say hi, my people. You say you're going out today? You're Basil down. Not you, my boy? Eh? You're Basil down. You're Basil down? You're Basil down. You're Basil down? You're Basil down. You're Basil down? Alright, let's go. I'll put you in the car. Peace and love, African family. This is Jam Tours Africa and Miss Jam Tours channel. So I'm just starting the vlog for her as I go out with Amesh. Amesh, can you go down by yourself? You need my help? Eh? Up. Out. Outside. Say outside. Say outside. Outside. Say outside. You're outside, not true? Oh, we're not going to. Let's go down here for a minute. Come, let's go. Let's go and look at the kids them for a little. Come. Let's go and look at the kids them for a little. You hear the kids them crying? Look at the kids down there. Yummy, yummy. Look at the kids them. Look at them. Eh? Yummy, know his seat. You know your seat in the car, eh? Yummy, come. Let's go. This side. This way. You want to go into the driving section? I see the start of the video.
Yes. Hi guys, it's Miss Jam Tours again with another video. So we're stepping out. Papa, you wanted to remove his shoes?
Is he remove it? It seems like he want to remove it. Let me remove it. Amesh, take off your shoes. You're standing on holy ground, boy. Holy ground. Take off your slanders. You're standing on holy ground. Kenya, holy ground.
I mean, we have to look good. Doesn't mean because you have baby, you should go looking like I look good. Yes, my dear. To be honest, you don't want to go looking like. Look, one start the vlog well. Let me just get myself. Thank you, my dear. Alright. Hello. Bye bye.
Hey boy, tapping nice.
Yes, my dear. So, good morning, guys. It's Miss Jam Tours back again with another video. Today is on Monday. It's a beautiful Monday morning, and we're stepping out for like 2 errands. We're going where? To the hospital for the blood sample. From there, we are going to a place called Nkoroi. It's past Rongai, that is in Kajiado County. We are going to grab some water at my mom's, like where she works, that is. So that water is like spring water. It's very nice. I'm sure most of you will wonder because Rongai is very salty, like it has salty water, but this one is deep down from the borehole. Like when you dig deep, even if the place has salty water and you dig deep, you will get nice fresh water. Okay, so that's where we are headed, and I decided to go with all the boys because I mean, you know, not just staying in the house and all that. So that's why we are all glammed up, because we're also stepping at the hospital in Aga Khan. Okay,
All right, family. So let's go. So these are the battles.
look at what I messed this. You started.
You start. You make him mess up himself, you know. With
He's
those
not
things.
messing up himself, love.
All right, family. Let's go. Like, share, and comment. And Miss Jam Tours. I think I left something in the house, really. My pouch. All right, let me go and pick it.
Hi guys, we are back again, and we made a stop at Quick Mart, Kiambu Road, Tendegwa to be precise. Yummy, what is it? Hamesh really likes, I don't know whether he wants to hold the camera, because each time I start talking, he just starts crying, because I think he just wants to hold it. Alright, Hamesh, wave. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Yes, guys, so today will just be a wonderful day. I really like drive-throughs, so we just stopped here to grab a few stuff for our house, and also you know, just that little things here and there, okay, and then we can proceed with the journey, okay. Yes, so guys, rate our look, me and my boys. Hamesh, what is it? Why are you crying? Tell people why you crying. You just want to be seen. Alright, you look good, okay? Yes, we look good, okay? Yes. So guys, stay tuned for more, okay?
Total number is 067. Please proceed to
My little haha. This is my little haha, okay?
Token number in 067. Please proceed to counter 4.
Good boy. Good boy. And Amish is a good boy today. Today. He's a good boy. He's a good boy today. Yummy, yummy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy today. Yeah, family. So we actually reached at the hospital, and you know, there's a jam at the hospital right now. As you can see, there's no parking. Okay. So this jam tour is just coming out with Jamesh to go and get the, you know what I mean, get the blood tests. While me and Amish will be here going to the parking. That Miss Jam Tour is there, she gone. Amish, mommy gone. Mommy gone leave you, Ami. Let's go and find parking and then go and see mommy, okay? Okay, my boy? Okay. Alright? So, let's go. Alright? Alright, Amesh? Let's go, okay? We are in Aga Khan.
You said never let me go. 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 You said never let me go.
right, family. So we actually get some parking. So let's try and back up in this parking. Shit, going the wrong way. They keep running up and down, up and down. Amesh, he's a big man. A big man. Ooh. Yeah. Nana? Nana?
I love the daughter was gentle.
Okay.
Whoever
Jamesh cry?
Just a little, as you can see, he's already calm.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, he was so gentle. He first made him laugh
Yeah.
and then tricked. And then continued making him laugh.
Yeah, yeah.
It was so nice. Where did you guys go?
Yeah, around there.
Around there, sir? Right here, sir? Okay.
Amesh, go on. Amesh. Go, boy. That's we're gonna leave you here. Go, boy. Amesh, come, let's go. Let's go outside here. Come. Let's go. Let's go outside here in the open. Yee. Amesh, you eating your jackfruit, eh? Yeah, family. So now we're actually at the market to get some potatoes, onion, and tomatoes for the restaurant. And I know we have a guy that we normally call and order before and him just bring it to us. So now we're actually just waiting for him to come so we can go. It's a long day today, and this is how, you know, my day would run. You know, at least every 2 weeks I have to go for some spring water that go deep down in the earth. So guys, continue watching Miss Jam Tour's channel. Like, share and comment. Let me know your thoughts. And if you know you're coming into Kenya, you know you only want to link up with Jam Tours, because we have things safe and secure for you so you won't get scammed. You know what I mean? That has all the connection you need for you to live, work, and play and do business in Kenya, fam. This is the market, and we are here. Our man is coming, Peter. When you come to the market as a foreigner, you want things cheap, link up with Peter, link up with Jam Tours, and I can actually, you know what I mean?
Hi.
Give you his number. All right, so you want to see your number, Peter?
Yes.
See your number, so when some people come, they can actually link up with you for you to get the right stuff and the real deal. Yeah. So we're gonna pack in the things them inside. You know, people eat potato a lot here, so for the restaurant. Alright, family, like, share, and comment. Megan, continue watching Megan. Da. Yeah, family, so we just got back. This Jam Tour is finished with the hospital thing. And see Jamesh have a little thing for him, man. This little prick. But you say him never cry a lot.
No, that guy was so gentle by the way with the boy.
And Jamesh is wet like a chicken. This Jam Tour is gonna change him now. Yeah, family, so let's go and come with us. Go like, go share, and go check out Brand Jam Reggae Bistro, Brand Jam Reggae Restaurant, 1148 Gitanga Road. You'll find some nice Jamaican food ready and waiting for you. Yes, we're outside in nature, Jammy. We outside in nature. Nature is God and God is nature. Tell them. Nature is God and God is nature. Yeah, family. So we're in Aga Khan, and this is what it looks like. The market is just over there. I'll have to go over there to get some stuff for the restaurant. So we're gonna go over there to pick some stuff and then go to the restaurant. Alright? Yes. This my little yes. It's like the prick. It's like the prick. The prick never do nothing. The prick never do nothing. The prick never do nothing. Yeah, family. So normally they do a blood test, blood sample to see if anybody is short of any mineral. Last time Amish never get none. Amish was fine. As you know, guys, we try to eat the right food, so they don't have supplement and give them no processed supplement and all of these madness. So same treatment, same everything. So we just do it because we have to do it. But I know for sure that he won't need any supplement. You know what I mean? Yeah, but this is my boy. You changing already? Jamcho is trying to change. The parking is tight.
Until I'm sweating. Because I'm trying to figure out how do I even do this. I wish this boot didn't have anything.
Alright, family, continue watching the vlog while we go. We are out.
So guys, we arrived already, and Jammy got his prick. He has it on his hand. Jammy, where is it? Yes, you got your prick and you didn't cry. Hi, Ami. Ami. So guys, we are done. That is, we're gonna wrap it at that. And we've really enjoyed the day, although it feels so tired. You know, going with the boys is not an easy job, but yeah, I really enjoy being with them. I wouldn't prefer like leaving them behind, because I mean, it's just nice. So guys, see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Hello guys, so we're back. Hubby is packing the water in the car. Okay, that's my hubby, my boo-boo. Yeah, family, so this is the water. Spring water. Okay.
You said never let me go. 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 You said never let me go.
Yeah, family. Wayaki is a Kikuyu word. Yeah, family. So we're there actually on expressway, Nairobi University over there. Nairobi University. And it's a traffic on the expressway. So you know, anywhere you're there, you better stay. So on our way home, family, and traffic is on the expressway.
Anyway, we used up the whole day.
The whole day. Well, we leave out. What time we leave out?
But
It was
now
like
when you have
we leave out like midday anyway, so it was like
but also remember I woke up early to like prep and all that.
yeah.
So it's just a full day when you have kids. You can't just stay and leave early in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, family. Let's go. Continue watching this vlog. You have anything to say, Miss Johnson? Huh?
Jumping on the 86 side. You have to go on the 86.
Well, I have to go over here side.
You have to go right here, sir.
To go try to take somebody give me a pass. Give me a pass at the ETC. Yeah, family. So on the expressway you have ETC and MTC. MTC is for cash, ETC is like a digital thing. So you have the ETC thing. You just add money and it just detect it and you just deduct it, the price for the cost for the toll. You know what I mean? So that's a good thing. You know, if you pull out money and you pay. You just drive through and go through. See, I want to buy apartment at GTC. GTC is right there, so. Them a call me. My woman a call me.
Oh, actually, even the
Underpass. Lot of traffic. Look at the underpass. Underpass. Yeah, family, so as you can see, scan the thing. Shiny man and them building the highway. Mr. Chin, I don't know what time we are going to reach Sweden because the traffic go hard. As you can see, family, traffic go hard. Traffic go hard in Nairobi right now. Traffic go hard. Alright, sweetie, you want to say anything? Oh, you're breastfeeding?
Yep.
Alright, family. One love, bless, Jamaica.
Bye, guys.
I'm out.
Bye, guys.
I was just thinking about and saying to myself that, you know what I mean, if you're not proud to be a Jamaican, I don't know what else can you be proud for. Because imagine Jamaica independence is like every year them have like people who actually create independence song about independence. It's like a whole catalog. So, you know what I mean, celebrating Jamaica independence is so easy because we have like a whole catalog can play for the entire day. Because since we get independence, every year we have contestants who actually, you know what I mean, contest to who have the best independence song and the best song about Jamaica, family. So on the 3rd we'll be at Branjam Reggae Bistro in Kenya, 1148 Gitanga Road, Lavington, Nikki Z. You know what I mean, the whole Jamaican team will be out celebrating you know, Jamaican independence, family. You know what, I missed that. May I tell you that in the last one event we have was the grand opening, and you know, it was so much fun. People enjoy. They never seen nothing like this before, and I really appreciate, family. So we are asked if we come out, pull up and show up, come experience the food, the culture and the music. And it's Jamaican Independence Day, and you know, we're in the Olympics and we have so much actually to celebrate for. Actually, Kenya need to celebrate too, because they have a guy in the 100 meter, 2 Jamaican. So when me say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 for Jamaica and 3 for Kenya. Yeah. So yeah. So family, me gone in my yard. One love, God bless, Jamaica, the traffic tight, and I don't want to hit nobody right now. Love you.